Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial is gonna be a tutorial about Google Sheet application. And today I would like to show you the way how to count the characters that you use in one cells. So sometimes we can use these functions for count how many characters that we have whenever we start making a titles for several applications, for example. So here is the tutorial. So here I already prepared the name of the students for the example, and I would like to count how many alphabet that they use for their name. So the way that you have to do is just go click these cells that you want to have the results be appears to, and after that you just need to go click this pencils button. In this part you just need to go click equals and start type len, and it will be pop up here. You just need to go click it, and now you just need to choose which text that you want to count the alphabet. For example, this, since we want to count it for the sources. And after that you just need to go click checklist button, and there will be appear how many characters that they use for their name. For Abdurrahman Ahmed, there are like 19 characters that they use. So let's do an autofill for the rest of the cells by just block the cells, click it, and go click autofill, and here we go. So that's the way how to count the characters on the cells in a Google Sheet. If you find out today's tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.